In these times that we're living in, we are hopeless until we begin to realize that we're deeply tangled in the lies, keeping our lives strangled. They would have us believe the nation is for justice, is for transformation, when the truth is bloodstained gold is power. These false prophets steal the lives that are ours, and the war outside is a mirror of what's within. Every word that breaks the heart, all the loveless patterns we live in. Yes, the war outside is a mirror of what's within. Every word that breaks the heart, all the loveless patterns we live in. Oh, the war within. The war within becomes the war outside. It's our duty as human beings to enlighten what we think we're seeing, 'cause in all of us are the roots of the fighting. You and I are doing the writing of this tragedy. Our world's destruction, World War III, at its introduction, individual